many things get lost. Listen, I know her attorneys, by the way, told her not to talk. The fact that she was doing these interviews means she is so narcissistic. She had to have her story out.
Ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. There's no way Alan Jackson would have let her do it.
Yeah. Can we take a look at that Sally Port picture? I see it's queued up. Let's take a look at that. Can we take a look at that Sally Port picture if we have it? Because this is the picture. Again, this is what Karen Read. There's that's it put together. How about the picture of it now in the Sally Port? Oh, there's a close. That's a good close-up of the missing piece.
Dun, dun,
the missing sliver. And it's important. You can say it's not important, but is that what you saw pulling out of the driveway?
No.
For sure.
All right.
That's my vote.
I think she hit him.
She definitely hit him. Whether she meant to do it or not is another story.
Okay, if that's not what the car looked like pulling out of the driveway, how did all those pieces end up not on her right tail light?
Well, that's the $64,000 question and why we're in trial.
The $64,000 answer from the defense is that Trooper Michael Proctor was behind there. You see him in the video.
Remember, all we need to do is reasonable doubt as defense attorneys, and there's lots of it here.
Vinny, it's more believable that Bigfoot killed him than Michael Proctor broke that taillight, in my opinion.
All right, now I'm showing you a split of what a taillight looks like when it's totally intact. That's on the left, and what they say it looked like in the driveway that day on the right.
Different taillight, different side of the car, different angle, different camera angle, different lighting.
I get it.
Yes.
But is there any way that the one on the right and the left would look the same in a video if they were like this, pulling away?
If
the car is pulling away, like we see it in the video.
If it was pulling away with all that white showing, it would have had a different light. It would have been more white, in my humble opinion.
But it's not. So who pulled the piece? Why did the pieces?
But that's what kills her case, though, is her own daggone mouth. If
why does that kill her case?
They gave her enough rope to hang herself.
She doesn't know when to be quiet. She doesn't know how to speak. She is so narcissistic.
How did the rest of the red pieces get detached from the right taillight?
I don't think the prosecution needs to worry about that. If they play more of her talking, that's what's going to sink her ship.
What a great job. Michael Jaafar making the trip in.
Yes.
Great to see you. Meg Strickler, Darrell Cohen, thank you so much. All right.